my previous video about running out of firewood in a firewood business. And as I was talking through it, I accidentally came up with an amazing business name for a firewood company. Amazing. I mean, really, really good. Real quick, I'm going to kind of just off the top of my head give some ideas on what makes a good business name. I pulled up my notepad here. So one, let's see if can I make that bigger. One, I have never used this. Just make it title size. Well, not that big. I guess you can't. Whatever. So number one. I did that again. Do that? No, that doesn't affect it. Just kind of out of luck here, huh? Guess not. All right, number one. It is short. Number two, it is, it has what you do in the name. So like, for instance, if you, there's a lot of people that do this. Like, let's say they run, and I understand why. I may even do this with my firewood business because well, that's not really true, but I do have an LLC for my whole property, for like my farm, and it doesn't have the word firewood in it, but I have a different website for that anyway, so not a huge deal. But I didn't have the firewood business in mind when I made that LLC. But anyway, so like people will like name things like with their last name, like Smith and Sons LLC, right? But they do firewood. So, it's just better to have what you do in the name. And if you can get the word firewood in your firewood business name, great. If you have a business that's like, you do firewood and lumber, I mean, you could put, you could do like Smith's Firewood and Lumber. It's better than doing just Smith's and Sons LLC or something. So like you want, and that's not brandable, very brandable, but you want brandable, you want things like Pepsi, Coke, Goodyear tire, right? Where you can have like a mascot thing or whatever they call it, the Goodyear blimp or the Goodyear marshmallow, whatever you call them, guy. So you want it short. You want what you do in the name. You want, I don't know how to say it, but like, like I guess something you can create. I'm going to say mascot. There's probably a better word. A mascot. Maybe like a awesome logo, like a logo image, nice logo. What else? Short, has what you do in the name. Easy to say, like easy to pronounce, I should say. Pronounce. I mean, I saw a business the other day. My gosh, wasn't even a name. It wasn't even someone's name. Like last name that was hard to pronounce. It was like literally their business name. I didn't know how to say it. No clue. Easy to pronounce. Short, easy to pronounce, something you can create a mascot for, nice logo, etc. Which is brandable, like brand stuff. You know what I mean? I'm trying to think of other examples. I didn't really plan this video. Most of them I don't plan. Hey Dude, I think that's like I don't know if it's like a clothing company. I know it just popped in the top of my head because somebody was talking about it the other day. I don't know, whatever. Easy to pronounce, and easy to spell. So that's just off the top of my head. Short is, tough these days, right? Pepsi, Coke, they're all taken. But the funny thing is Pepsi, like when I don't know what they were first called, if they were called Pepsi or Coke, like it doesn't even say what they are, right? But you definitely want to do that. Goodyear tire, Jiffy Lube, trying to think, iPhone, right? iPhone, it's a phone. What's the? I don't know. You can find plenty, but hopefully that gives you some clues, some ideas on how to name your business. All right. The sixth thing is this is one of the biggest ones. In my opinion, it is probably the biggest one. Available domain name, available domain name. Very important. Very important. You don't want to have to be like, the name of your business is Acme Firewood, but your website is, or rather, how about this? Yeah, your business name is Acme Firewood, but your website is, I don't know. I literally can't think. I could give this example. Available.com domain name. You don't want your business to be Acme Firewood, and acmefirewood.com is somebody else. I think that's what I was trying to say anyway. Because most people are, even all these years afterwards, there's so many different domain extensions. The .com, that's called an extension. .co, .io, .this, .org, .that. .com is on everybody's mind, where they'll try to take your business name and just add .com if they're trying to find you. So you want available.com domain. All right. Without any further suspense, here is an awesome Firewood business name. Ready? I'm going to put caps lock on. It is painful, isn't it? Okay, what are we already looking like? We have what we do in there. We do firewood. Okay. Firewood's pretty short. Here comes the long guy with the leaf blower, if you can hear it. Perfect timing, sir. Thank you. Firewoodhero.com. You are the firewood hero. When they need firewood, you got it. Right? There's no, I'm out. There's no, I'm sold out. There's no, I don't answer my phone. There's no, I don't return calls. There's no, I don't answer Facebook messages. There's no, I don't return Facebook messages. There's no trash wood. This is good product, amazing product. It's clean, it's dry, it's ready to burn. It's freaking amazing. You are their firewood hero. When everybody else fails, when nobody else can take care of their needs, you come in with your cape, with a log, like a log logo on the back. You fly in like Superman, but you're their firewood hero, log man, firewood man, burning man. I don't know, whatever. Anyway, it's an awesome business name. And it's available.com. It is like, this is a cool part too. Actually, in GoDaddy, it shows it's $11 a year. In GoDaddy, it shows value of like $1,200, which the value is only what somebody pays. So that doesn't mean you can just go resell it for $1,200. If that was the case, I'd buy it. But it's a good name. It's a damn good name. It's very unusual to find a name that like GoDaddy will say, here, I'll just go look. I'll just show you. I buy mine through Namecheap. Firewoodhero.com. Firewoodhero.com. Oh my gosh. Come on, guy. What are you doing? Fire Hero. See, it's a good example, though. I accidentally forgot the wood. Firehero.com it's a premium domain. You're making me want to buy Firewood Hero. There's a $25,000 domain name just for the first year. It's $10 all the other years. Firehero.com. I don't know whatever. I don't know what that would be, but firewoodhero.com. Where did it say it? It said it earlier. Make it yours. Anyway, it said, it was GoDaddy. Did I spell it right? Firewood Hero. It said value of like $1,200 and something dollars. So 43. Okay, so the 3-year registration, it's $43. You don't have to do that. You can just do the first year, but it'll be cheaper. Oh, well. I promise you it said it. Not that it matters. You want it for yourself, but that is a darn good name. Darn good name. I just want to see what happens if I change that just a little bit, if it'll pull up. MissFirewood.com. Premium. $2,500 for MissFirewood.com. So if you have, but see, stuff like this is brandable. Like that's, I mean, I don't know if this was supposed to be like a woman doing firewood, or, you know, like Mr. Firewood, but Miss Firewood, or it was supposed to be like Mississippi Firewood. But Firewood Hero there. I'm trying to get it to say how much it said it was worth. It's not saying it now. That's annoying. Anyway, hey, get that domain name. Steal that. Firewoodhero.com.